You're lucky I didn't get the camera on in time.
No, these are the things I do
Who
by
did this?
myself.
Who did this?
Oh man.
Who put this on my bike?
Oh man.
Was it you?
What is that?
You ate the lace?
I don't eat lace.
How did you know it was lace?
You said it was lace.
Can't slide, you can't drive. Yeah. That's it.
That is dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Looks good on me though. Yeah, that's the bike you need to get, not this trash. Sorry, Austin.
Superman.
Woo! That's the advanced pivot.
This bike is PPF.
Is it?
Yes.
Woo! So that means you can ride it without worrying.
Never. I love this bike.
You're lucky I didn't get the camera on in time.
No, these are the things I do
Who
by
did this?
myself.
Who did this?
Oh man.
Who put this on my bike?
Oh man.
Was it you?
What is that?
You ate the lace?
I don't eat lace.
How did you know it was lace?
You said it was lace.
Wait,
What
let's see if
the
it
hell?
works first. Let's see if it works
No, it didn't work, man.
Oh, you did it before?
No, but it's I paid 25 grand for that machine. It better work.
Yo, what car is this going on?
The Humvee.
The Humvee? So I think that's been sitting there for months now. It's finally getting some new shoes.
Well, they've
Who's
been here.
touching me?
40, 15 and a half, 24. That's messed up.
This is what those wheels are gonna look like in the end on the Hummer. Look at that. It's up to my waist. You see that? And I'm not tall, but like, still. Pushing the limits of every machine we have.
Wow.
Bro.
The balancer fits a 40. Hey, Salim, look.
I know I tried that one before.
Oh, did you? Okay. Only 4 ounces.
Run it on the road force.
You're funny.
I want to see how much pressure it hits on this tire.
Will it actually work?
Well, we did put a Nitto tire. It's a pretty, really good quality tire. So we'll see how it does. We like to put stuff to the test.
Your machine to the test, that's for sure.
Alright, same amount of weights, 40 pounds of pressure. They want you to rotate the tire. So that's what we shall do.
All right.
This is PZ Music.
Whole ride blew up. You see here? Look at that line. Did you see the last episode?
Which episode? We've had many episodes.
The episode where we went to the track and the rad blew up.
Oh, yes. I think we all saw that episode.
Make sure you guys see that.
Go watch it right here next to Salim. Click this video. Or you can't click it, but go to this video thumbnail and watch it. So if you see, this is the aftermath of that video. I don't know if you guys can see it that well right there. All the way down. So yeah, Salim definitely needs a new rad. There we go, Ricardo. Ricardo's very happy. Look at Salim's old rad, you could see why we had to change it out. This is the aftermath of that one video you guys saw on our channel of Salim drifting and blowing up. This is what happened. Just making sure that all the fittings are in the right place, all the hoses are plumbed up, and then she'll be done. Wait, so what are you doing to this Jeep, Wes?
We're just doing front and rear bumpers, bro.
Like new aftermarket bumpers?
Yeah, some steel bumpers.
Ooh, very
The
nice.
wheels.
Steel bumpers.
Yeah, we did the wheels, did the lights.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of TooFast TV. Go down there, leave a like, leave a comment, let us know what you thought of the video, and we'll see you guys next time on TooFast TV. Peace! Say bye, Salim.
Peace!
TooFast TV. Hey. Yeah. He already knows what it is. I know what it is. Gangish.
So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
You can't drive. It is what it is.